All right. What's up, YouTube? All right. I'm back with another video today. Today, I want to talk to you all about something that's very near and dear to my heart. It's called criticism. Now, listen, it doesn't matter where you go in life, it doesn't matter who you talk to, it doesn't matter what you do. Somebody out there is always going to hate you. I bet you there's somebody right now watching this video that can't stand me or what I'm talking about. Go check out some of my shorts. Go check out some of my other videos. I say a lot of things that you might not agree with. But guess what? That's fine. The world is full of people that's just going to do nothing but hate on you. And that's okay. I think that's something you got to realize. In your journey to reaching your better state in life, in your journey where you're going to push through everything, you're going to know and you're going to understand that somebody ain't going to like you. And you got to be okay with that. Because you can't be a people pleaser. You can't be soft when it comes to getting this type of criticism. You gotta be tough, y'all. You gotta be tough. All right. You gotta be built tough, made tough, and you gotta stick there and you gotta keep moving because life is gonna throw you through a lot of adversity. And your ability to push through that, your ability to bounce back, and all of these different qualities, I'm telling you, this is the stuff that's gonna separate you from the weak. Because you need to be strong. All right? So listen, you need to write down your goals. And I'm going to go over something. It's called the IRON method. I made this up. This is my acronym, the IRON method. I'm going to make another video talking about this later. But first and foremost, I need to know, what are your goals? What are your goals? What do you want to do? And I need to know, you need to write it down. And the first step is to let someone else know. Accountability. You cannot do this by yourself, all right? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what your goals are for the next 6 months. Only 2, no more than 2.